Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Peary, and I am the CEO and owner of Gothic Computers. And for this inaugural video, I'd like to show you the uh, Dell Poweredge R410. So, actually, this is the second video that I have filmed because the unboxing video, unfortunately, I forgot to turn on the audio. So I will be showing you a clip of that. It's about 3.5 minutes long, so not too long. Um, and then I'll show you the internals of this server. So just give you a little overview of what this is and what it can do. Um, this has two quad core, quad core uh, Xeon processors running at 2.4 gigahertz. Um, it has 16 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. I believe running it at 1033 megahertz. Uh, has four, as you can see, four places where you can put the SAS drives, or actually you can actually put SSDs in there as well and configure it for either RAID or just regular storage. So let's get to the video. You can see me unboxing it. Then we'll come back and I'll open up this for you and show you the insides. Okay, welcome back. So, first thing I'm going to do is sneeze. Just give me a second here. Well, actually, I'm going to show you how to open this server. So, right there, this black little dot is the button to push to open the lid. So you push it down and then slide it back. See, I'm trying to do it one-handed here, so just give me a second. There it goes. Kind of. Come on. Not so easy when you try to do it one-handed. Hold on a second. I'm going to try to get you guys somewhere where you can see me. Okay. Oops. Let's turn this down a little bit. Sorry for all the shaky video here. Okay, so pushing the button down, taking your hand, and just pops right open. Put the cover right there. You guys see that? Actually, I'll bring it over here so you guys can see a little better. Okay, starting from the front. Let's make sure I can have your standard optical drive. This is kind of an interesting setup here. This half of the board goes to the display that in the front that in my opinion is kind of useless. But this side, actually, you have, as you can see, you have two internal spots for USB drives to be plugged in, so you could have internal storage. And going down here, as you can see, we have the 4 fans that do all the cooling. And I'll pick up this shroud and show you the inside here. I'll do it one-handed. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Not break anything. There you go. Alright. So, CPUs, our memory, our DDR3 memory. And this right here is what they call an SAS card, which actually I had to actually just kind of trace everything out to figure how this card worked, because I'm so used to having the connectors on the board. I didn't realize they have a dedicated not drive, but port to plug in these cards. So this is it's a PCI by 8, but actually it's a PCI by 4 because it's only using 4 channels for the 4 drives up here. And this is your standard PCI by 16, so you can use that as a regular port to plug whatever you want in. So how this works over here is this actually is connected by this very special connector, which goes up to here and to here. So it's so these two are connected by this one, and that one is connected to these two, and they go back to the board, which connects to the SAS card. Let's see, your standard, I think this is a 480 watt power supply. Yeah, 480. But the nice thing is about this is you can actually upgrade this to have 2 power supplies, which would give you a power supply and a redundant power supply in case one of them decided to fail. You'd have that one as a backup, and you could just keep going. Hence why these empty slots here for the fans, because there's actually an expansion board that plugs into it, and that expansion board has actually two headers that you can plug the fans into. I believe that's it. So as you saw, it was pretty easy to put this thing back together again. Oops. Even one-handed. Just gotta watch all the wiring. Okay. Oh, okay, get over that header. Uh-oh. This is gonna make a liar out of me. Oh, come on. Oops. Don't want to break the light. Need that light. Actually, I'm gonna put you down for a second. I'm just gonna try to do this. Oops. Pick you guys up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. All right. Oh, there it goes. See? Two hands work much better. Okay, so we're gonna swing around to the back here. I'm gonna turn on the light, so it might be a little too bright. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a little too bright. Alright, get that out of the way. So over here we have serial port, video output. This is called a, what's this? Is this the Express or is this? Oh, that's the Enterprise. The iDRAC Enterprise. So you can remotely connect to this computer and control it. As you can see, I don't have it yet. It's actually on order. A couple of, I believe it's USB 2.0, two 1 gigabyte Ethernet connectors, your spot for the expansion ports, and your 480 watt power supply in the back there. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy this video, and the next fun project will be actually trying to get this booted into an operating system. Actually, it's not been too fun. I didn't realize how complicated the actual server is to get an operating system on. It's not like you just put the disk in and bing bang boom, you're done. You gotta go through all these processes and all this baloney. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.